In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone speaker settings. We will walk through the key sound settings that control how loud and balanced your iPhone speaker really is, so you can tell whether the problem is a setting or something else. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You will see the usual long list of options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and so on. We are going to stay inside settings for most of this video, so keep it open. Now tap Sounds and Haptics. This screen is where your iPhone keeps almost everything related to sound levels and vibration. You should see sections for ringtone and alerts, volume sliders, and options for system haptics. Under ringtone and alerts, move the slider to the right to increase the volume. As you drag it, your iPhone usually plays a short sample tone. Listen to that test sound. If you hear it getting louder, the speaker hardware is at least working for alert sounds. Make sure silent mode is turned off. Look near the top of this screen for the switch that mentions changing with buttons, but the actual silent mode switch sits on the side of your iPhone. When silent mode is on, you will see an orange strip on the physical switch, and your ringtone and alerts stay quiet even if the slider is high. Next, open Control Center and make sure the volume slider is turned up. On most iPhones, you swipe down from the top right corner to open it. The volume slider shows a speaker icon. Drag that slider upward. If you play music or a video right after this, you should hear the volume change instantly. From there, go to Settings, then Focus, then Do Not Disturb, and make sure it is turned off. When Do Not Disturb is on, your iPhone can silence calls and alerts even though the speaker itself is fine. On this screen, the toggle should be gray when it is off, and there should be no tiny moon icon in the status bar. Now let us check the speaker balance in case the sound is louder on one side. This matters most if you use headphones or external speakers, but it still affects how the device sends audio out. If sound is louder on one side, go to Settings, then Accessibility. You will see options for vision, physical, and motor and hearing. Tap Audio and Visual in the Hearing section. Tap Audio and Visual. In here you control how sound is shared between left and right channels, and how headphone audio behaves. Look for the section labeled Balance. Find Balance. Set the slider to the center. When the pointer is in the middle, audio is shared evenly between left and right. If you move it toward one side, sound will shift more to that side, which beginners often change by accident. You can also turn on mono audio if you want the same audio from both channels. With mono audio on, your iPhone blends left and right sound together, so both sides play the identical mix, which can help if one ear or one side of your speaker setup is weaker. Next, we will check the maximum speaker volume. On supported iOS versions, go back to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, then find Volume Limit. This section can quietly cap how loud your phone is allowed to go. Go into Volume Limit. If Limit Maximum Volume is enabled, increase the limit or turn it off. Slide the limit higher or disable the toggle. Once you change it, any music or video you play can reach that new higher level without needing any extra confirmation. You have now walked through the main iPhone settings that control speaker loudness and balance, so your alerts and media should sound much clearer. If this helped your iPhone finally sound right again, please drop a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more straightforward iPhone fixes like this.